everyone, it's Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity and tell you guys about a recent transaction that we closed. So I met this client 2.5 years ago. They didn't have the best credit at the time. We walked them through the steps on how to fix their credit, and they got to work. They persevered, pushed forward, and did exactly what we told them to do, and got their FICO scores in a range that they can get an F.H.A. loan. After a while, they were able to get pre-approved for only $175,000, which actually wasn't going to work for the area that we're looking. But they kept looking, they stayed positive, they continued to save, and eventually one of the borrowers got a raise at their job. They got very close on a couple different offers, but unfortunately one of the borrowers got laid off. They were devastated, but they tried to stay positive and eventually got the call saying they were going back to work. We jumped back into action and they started searching for properties again. They wrote an offer on a home and they got it accepted for $275,000. And we just closed this transaction a week and a half ago. The borrower was at the final walkthrough. They were crying. Everyone was so excited. They never thought they'd become homeowners, but they stayed positive, continued to move forward, and now they've officially closed. Talked to the borrower today, and they're moving in. And this is why we always stay positive. We always work hard, and it matters who you work with. You got to work with a team of real estate professionals that are going to keep pushing forward and help you achieve your dreams. So this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Thanks for listening.